In case you have this type of question, it's quite easy, very easy to solve it. There's one strategy. Let's take a look at it. Now you ready? Okay, move on. We divide by the highest number. 9 to the power x is automatically 9 to the power x is automatically greater than 6 to the power x that is greater than 4 to the power x, because x is the same thing. Automatically 9 to the power x is greater. Hence we have to divide everywhere by this man. Watch it. We are going to have what 4 to the power x all over 9. You can have 4 all over 9 to the power x, because we have a to the power m on b to the power m is equals to a on b to the power m. That is algebra. I know you know about it. Hence we have what plus 6 all over 9 all that to the power x is equals to what 9 to the x all over 9 to the x, and this will be like 9 over 9 to the power x. And we know that 1 raised to the power x will automatically turn to 1. That's logical, but someone might say it might turn to 2, but for the moment let's focus on the essential. Okay, this will be equals to 1. Yeah, okay, 4 to the power x is the same thing as what 2. Oh, 4 is equals to what 2 times 2, that will be 2 squared all over 9 is what 3 times 3, that will be 3 squared all that to the power x. Means we can bring this man outside to have what all to the power x square or 2x, that's the same thing, plus, because we are putting this square so as you should visualize it well and solve it. Hence 6 all over this is the same thing as what 6 is what 2 times 3, and 9 is 3 times 3. Automatically this man and this man will cancel, equals to 1. I've seen that we have 2 all over 3 to the power x repeating. Yeah, because we have 2 to the power 2 over 3 to the power x square, okay, to the power 2x, okay, something like this, plus 2 all over 3 to the power x minus 1. That is actually how the equation will look like. We can say that 2 all over 3 to the power x is equals to what m, or we can say y. We only have x and y, that is y. Hence we are going to have y squared plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Y squared plus y minus 1 equals 0. That is what we're going to be having. Hence we are going to have subsolve for y here. Y is equals to what negative b, negative 1 plus minus b squared 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square root of this all over 2. That will be equals to what negative 1 plus minus this, and this will give root 5 all over master 2. Hope we did it well. That is, yeah, minus 1 b square minus 4ac, our c is negative, we have root 5. Therefore our y is equals to what negative 1 plus minus root 5 all over master 2. Hence we say that 2 all over 3 to the power x is equals to negative 1 plus minus root 5 all over this man, or 2 all over 3 to the power x. We take the positive, or the power x is equals to negative 1 plus minus root 5 all over 2. Since this one is equals to y, to solve for x here, what can you use? You can use natural logarithm or lim, because if you have a all over b to the power x is equals to maybe m, how can you have x here? Automatically you are going to put lim here. That would be, let's do it somewhere here. Let's do it here. Hope you pause and take a look at it. That would be what we take lim here and lim here. That will be x lim of a all over b is equals to lim of m. We know that lim a all over b is equals to lim a minus b. Hence we are going to have x is equals to what? We divide by that, that will be lim m all over lim of a on b. That will be, we will just invert and solve it. You know that lim a all over b is equals to what? Lim a minus lim of b. That is typical. We are going to use this method, this stuff, to solve it here. And you are going to have lim here and in here. I'm waiting for the answer in the comment, the true value of x. Just type in the comment. I'm waiting for it. You can pause your calculator and have a rough approximate, or you can just leave it like this. I'm waiting for it. Subscribe to the channel.